Hello, I'm Alexander Wilson. I'm an executive with the Small Business Development Corporation, and I wanted to say congratulations to the administration on uh, passing the health care under the Senate and the House of Representatives this evening. Um, there are 10 major benefits, and I'm going to read them off. It's late in the evening, so bear with me, but there are 10 major benefits to this health care bill that will have immediate impact on American lives. To find out more about what we do, obviously you can visit the stateofflorida.org, the stateofnewyork.org, the stateofillinois.org, the stateoftexas.info, or the stateofgeorgia.org. We're a nationwide organization that helps to develop small businesses. But back to the beautiful news at hand, the health care reform was passed by the House of Representatives this evening, and this is exciting news. Let me go ahead and read off the 10 benefits that you, as American people and small business owners, will be able to enjoy. Let's see. First, it's going to prohibit pre-existing condition exclusions for children. That's huge. So many children are deprived of their health benefits because they may not have been fortunate enough to have the perfect life, the perfect world. And I really don't see how anyone could prohibit them or would want to prohibit those children from having the greatest quality of life possible. Second, provide immediate access to insurance for uninsured Americans who are uninsured because of a pre-existing condition through a temporary high-risk pool. Beautiful. Next, prohibit dropping people from coverage when they get sick in all individual plans. I'm not sure about you, but I was born with a deficiency, a glucose deficiency. And it's normally very common, but I have very severe reactions. And this is going a bit off base, but sometimes it's difficult for me to get health care insurance. And I think this is something that's been a long time coming. Next on this list, prohibit dropping people, or more specifically, lower senior prescriptions drug prices by beginning to close the donut hole. The donut hole is kind of slang terminology, but still relative. I think we all know where that's going. Offer tax credits to small businesses to purchase coverage. Now, that is a big issue for me because as the Small Business Development Corporation, we have many small business owners that want to provide competent health care for their employees, but they get very little as it stands right now. And in the future, this is going to be able to inspire them to do more for their staff, to get rid of so many independent contractors and laborers that have to work independently and get their own health care insurance. Now the business owners have a way of saying, you know what, you don't have to be a contractor. We can afford these things. Obviously, aside of the health care insurance, you got your workman's comp and things of that nature, but it's a start. Next, offer tax credits to small businesses to purchase health care coverage, eliminate lifetime limits on restrictive annual limits on benefits in all plans, require plans to cover an enrollee's dependent children under the age of 26, which means if you're still in school, you're 25 years old, you can still go under your parents' plan. Beautiful. Require new plans to cover preventative services and immunizations without cost sharing. Ensure consumers have access to an efficient internal and external appeals process to appeal new insurance plan decisions. And last but not least, require premium rebates to enrollees from insurers with high administrative expenditures and require public disclosure of the percent of premiums applied to overhead costs. Those are your 10 immediate benefits of this reform. And if you want more information about it, you can always go to read up on it through Google, the Huffington Post, PR Newswire. You can also Google for healthcare reform process or healthcare reform, and you'll find all the information out about it that you want. I would suggest all of you do your diligence in acquiring this information. And again, I'm Alexander Wilson with the Small Business Development Corporation. Thank you.